Good morning guys. So this is your Inday Joanna. Maaga ako nagising ngayon kasi ewan ko. Hindi ako napagod kagabi kaya maaga. Naisip ko kasi madaming nagko-comment sa TikTok ko na i-prank ko daw si Franco. Nai-ignore ko daw siya. So ngayon, I think this is the best time na gagawin yun kasi kahapon, whole day niya ako hindi pinapansin. Tapos, kagabi, medyo nagtatampo ako sa kanya. So, nakatulog ako na hindi kami naglalambingan. Well, babawian ko siya ngayon. Pero guys, hindi ko alam kung kaya ko bang i-ignore siya kasi isang lambing lang nun. Diba, marupok kasi ako. Isang lambing lang nun, tatawa agad ako. Tapos isang kiliti lang nun, nakikiliti ako. Pero I will try my best guys para sa inyo. Itatry ko itong acting skills ko. Ayun. Anyway, ipaprank natin si Mr. Hobadero ngayon. Manda ka. Tingnan ko kung kaya ko. Silipin natin kung ano itsura niya. Kung nakahubad ba o nakanganga. Tulog pa siya. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Magkape na lang tayo. Tara, samahan niyo ako magkape. So, magkape muna tayo. Cheers! Hindi ko alam guys kung magiging successful ba itong stay sa sala kasi mas marami lang yun. So,
Morning, love!
yung init guys.
Morning, love! What's the time?
Alam niyo, masarap talaga tong kaping 3 in 1. No? Mas gusto ko talaga to.
You didn't wake me up,
Sarap.
lagi. You didn't wake me up. What time did you wake up? Morning, love. Oh, vlogging already. Hi, guys.
Tapos guys, kasi yung ginagawa ko lang the whole day, pag nasa bahay lang din kasi kami, wala, yung normal talaga na asawa.
Did you have breakfast already?
So, ayun guys, paano ba?
Love, did you have breakfast?
Sarap na kape! Grabe, sarap.
Love.
Hello. Tapos, sige guys, share ko na lang sa inyo nung time na, nung time na flight attendant pa ako. Tapos, paano ako nag-apply, ganyan. So, maraming beses ako nag-apply before ako natanggap. So, ayun.
Okay, love. Love, you're talking to me. What happened? You want me to cook for you? You want some egg?
Wait lang guys, mainit dito. Doon tayo.
Oh.
Kasi
Please.
hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko sa inyo. So, dito na lang tayo.
Okay, love, you rest. I'm just gonna make my eggs and my breakfast, yeah?
Hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko. Please, hindi ko alam kung share ko sa inyo. Kasi gusto ko kumari. Nag-vlog ako na a day in my life with me. Kasi guys, normally kasi nagluluto talaga ako ng breakfast sa kanya. Ngayon ayaw. Kasi ayun. Tapos guys, share. Mag-comment lang kayo. Tapos guys, mag-comment lang kayo sa sa TikTok kung gusto niyo malaman about sa akin. Kape ko 3 in 1. Masarap.
Are you still vlogging? I'm going to make some egg. You want some eggs, love? Baby. You want some eggs?
Tapos na ako magkape. Tapos maglalaba pa ako ngayon. Dami kong labahan. May
I'm going to
bedsheet
make 2
pa.
eggs. Yeah, love for you.
Tapos ano? Aalis ka na ng Monday. Dami-dami kong lalaban. Hindi ko alam kung anong unahin ko. Yung puti, hindi color.
You want some eggs? I want to make 2 eggs for you. Just stop
Kayo
doing
guys.
Stop vlogging.
Ano
now.
kayo? Ano yung
I'll make
unahin nyo?
breakfast
Di
now.
color o puti?
No, stop doing the vlog now. We'll do breakfast, yeah? I'll make you 2 eggs. If you don't say anything, I want to make you 2 eggs. That means you want 2 eggs. Because I know your favourite is 2 eggs with 1 slice of bread. The fruit with the raisins and honey. Oh my god, you look even more mad. Okay, I'm going to leave you for a second and then I'm going to make you breakfast, okay? I'll do this for washing. You left dishes in there, so I'm going to wash the dishes for you as well.
Tapos guys, ano ba yun? Yun. Hindi ko na din alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Let's share. Stick na yung kasi hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko lagi. Nililito ako. Sabi ko, ano na pinagsasabihin ko yung pisting ko. Hi, darling.
Hi.
Beb.
Hi.
Beb.
Oh.
Uy.
Hello?
Narinig mo ako? Saan ka ngayon?
Brad,
Ah,
Green Hills.
nakita mo yung sinend ko sa'yo?
Alin doon?
Yung sinend ko sa'yo kanina ba?
Yung lalaki?
Oo.
Bakit man? Buwak ka. Pinupugaw mo lang yan.
Wala lang, darling. Nag-chat ba siya sa'yo? Nag-chat siya sa'yo? Ay, gano'n.
Just making eggs as well, yeah.
Seryoso ba? Ala, no, yung pabango, beba, papadala ko ba dyan?
Full time.
Sige. Tapos, wait lang. Tapos?
Love you.
Tapos,
Oh, eggs! I found the eggs! Oh, you want some salt? I know you like salt. I'm gonna put some salt in there for you, yeah? And your bread. 1 piece of bread, just as you like it. Eggs are nearly ready, love. Dad, what are you vlogging today? Hmm? I thought we were doing vlogs together. Why are you doing it on your own? Dad, you mad at me? Is it because of last night? When I gave you a massage or something? What is it now? Are you on your period today? I don't know, have you checked it? No, you're on your period only 1 week ago now. So it can't be that soon. What is it? Oh god. I just woke up you not talking to me? Well, I made you breakfast anyway, so. Oh my god, that fly's back! Yeah, I've made you 2 eggs as you like it with bread.
Guys, kain tayo. Wow. Pero guys, anong breakfast niyo sa umaga?
Wow, why are you talking to me? You're fair on me sometimes, you know?
Cheers guys, busog na ako. Hugas pa siya ng pinggan. Ganito lang pala yung gagawin ko para magiging prinsesa ako for a day.
I'm doing the dishes because Joanna is not speaking to me. I don't know what I have done wrong, but I will try to make amends, even though I don't know what I've done wrong today. Love! Look to me.
Anong lyrics yung kanta
I
niya?
can make you some ice cream.
Guys, hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan ko siya i-reject. Parang akong kinuha na langit. Naliwanag ah.
You share it, huh? Come on. Lie down, huh? What happened? How am I meant to know if you don't tell me? Is it because
May mga nagtatanong kasi paano ko nung kinurl yung hair ko. I think meron akong video dito sa YouTube namin na in-upload ko paano ko siya kinukulay.
sakit yung ulo ko? Huh? Do we want? Come on. It's a cuddle. Quick.
Look. Nakawa na sa kanya guys. Mag-lip balm na lang tayo. Para hindi dry yung lips.
Baby!
Yan guys. Yan yung lip
I
balm.
can't take this anymore. Please. I've been doing so many house chores. I need you back. Tell me what the problem is, please. Right. How can I make you talk to me? It's time to give you some tinkle, babe. Oh, there we go. There's the smile. You're back. What happened, love? What happened?
It's a prank.
Ano? It's a prank.
Yeah.
Really?
I saw some comment
Oh
on
my
TikTok
God,
that I'll just ignore you.
I thought you were serious. I was wondering what I've done wrong. I was thinking all about last night. What happened? What did I do during the day? And even this morning, huh? I was gonna leave you
Okay,
alone.
guys.
Just
It's a success!
Siggy, huh? I even made you breakfast.
That's good though. You only make me breakfast like once in a blue moon.
I finished the washing as well.
That's good. Thanks, honey. Alright, guys. So, We are success, and it's my first time na ginawa to kay Franco.
Really mad at me. That's the main thing.
I was mad at you last night.
Was you?
Yeah, you were ignoring me the whole day yesterday.
I wasn't ignoring you.
Yeah, you had time for me.
Oh,
I fall asleep like you didn't even cuddle me or something.
this is your revenge.
Yes, and you deserve it. Alright guys, thank you for watching our vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you have any video suggestions. Are you mad at me?
No, a little bit.